Good morning guys. I'm Elle, welcome back to my channel, and today I am finally revealing my 4-year-old son, Cohen's big boy bedroom. So he was in a crib until he was about 3.5. I was of the mind that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. He slept well, he fit, he never tried to crawl out, but my youngest daughter outgrew her bassinet and she needed a crib, and so it was time to get Cohen his big boy bed. And so I decided, what a great time to transition his room into a big boy preschool room. And so that's what today's video is. I kept a lot of the same elements that he had in his nursery. It's a great way to save money and help the environment to not change everything over, but rather just update key pieces and give the room a real facelift. So I hope you guys enjoy this transformation. Let's get started. So I want to start with showing you what the room looked like before. Cohen had peeled some of the wall decals off, and we wanted to give it a Scandinavian kind of feel when it was a nursery, but it was ready for a little bit of a change to make it a little bit more grown up. We do have a full room reveal of the nursery, so if you're interested in what it looked like initially, I'll have that linked down below. So the first step was to take off this bookshelf. It was a little bit too high to be functioning as an actual bookshelf for him now, so I just went ahead and removed that and filled the holes. The next step was to switch his crib for this beautiful canopy style bed that I got at West Coast Kids. The brand is called Gautier Studios, and they have amazing Scandinavian style furniture that's made really, really well, and it's really minimal and kind of hygge. I absolutely love their stuff. And I wanted to elevate it slightly, which is why I decided to try this DIY. So I just got some rope from Walmart and I kind of made it up as I went along. I just wove the rope through the top sections of the bed, giving it a faux roof feel. Then I made a whole whack of tassels from different colored yarn and attached them kind of haphazardly to that rope. Cohen's favorite color is blue, so I chose, I think, 4 different shades of kind of teal and blue and attached them. Now you could trim the extra yarn off, but I kind of liked that it looked a little bit shabby chic. I think it came together really well. I think a key here was alternating the different colors so that nothing looks too overdone. Everything sort of looks perfectly imperfect. And the next step was to attach this lamp, which is also from West Coast Kids and also from Gautier Studios. I love the Scandinavian, raw pine look, and it gives the really nice, warm, cozy glow to his room. Next was to switch the old dresser that he had for a new dresser. Well, new to him. This was a dresser that was up in our loft, and I ended up repurposing it for Cohen's room. And so it just goes to show that you don't always need to buy new things. Sometimes you can just repurpose them in various rooms and give them a whole new life. So I gave it a quick clean, moved the drawers over, and now Cohen has much more room to hold all of his clothing. So let's have one more look at the before, and then we'll reveal the after. I love that it has a whimsical, childlike feel. It's not too grown up, it's still a little kid room, and it's sticking with that kind of Scandinavian, modern feel, but it doesn't lose any of that hygge. I love this measurement chart that's also from Gautier Studios. All of the bedding we got just from Walmart. I also love this canvas bookshelf, which is also from Gautier Studios. There's a theme here. I like that we can lie in bed and read stories that way. And if Cohen wakes up early in the morning, he can just easily look through and choose a book that he wants to look at till it's time to get up. That little toy bin is also from Gautier Studios. You could easily use it as a laundry basket. I think it would be super cute like that. The chair is from the Canvas line at Canadian Tire, and that little dresser is actually from Walmart. This is a adorable piece of art that Cohen did that he was so proud of, and I paired it with this nice kind of pine birdhouse looking decor piece from Gautier Studios. And I love how these tiny little decor pieces came together like Cohen's treasure chest. Where he likes to keep lots of little knickknacks. I also chose to hang a lower light. It's a pretty standard design element that sets Scandinavian style apart, is having your ceiling lights hung a little bit lower than typical, and I like the look that it gives in this room. I hope you guys enjoyed that room makeover. If you did, I would love it if you clicked the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you hit subscribe, as well as subscribe to my vlog channel, which I will leave down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!